Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change windshield wipers on your Ford F250. First, gather your tools. You'll need new wiper blades and a towel or cardboard to protect your windshield. Make sure the new blades are the correct size for your truck. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and quick, saving you time and effort. To begin, gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. Be careful not to let it snap back down, which could damage the glass. Next, locate the small release tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab and slide the old wiper blade off the J-hook connector. Now, take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the J-hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade firmly onto the arm until you hear an audible click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Double-check that the blade is fully seated. Finally, gently lower the wiper arm back down onto the windshield. After installing, it's crucial to test your new wiper blades. Spray some washer fluid and run them to ensure they clear the windshield effectively and smoothly. Listen for any squeaking or chattering, which might indicate an issue. Remember to regularly inspect your blades for cracks or tears, replacing them about once a year for optimal visibility. Also, for staying refreshed on the go, check out the Owala water bottle and other great deals linked in the description below. Keeping your wipers in top shape is key for safe driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.